guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY protein hair mask. Okay, ingredient time. You are going to need avocado, egg, honey, and oils of your choice. Avocado is rich in vitamins and biotin. Eggs are high in protein and biotin. Honey adds luster and shine. And oils nourish the hair and scalp. So I'm going to begin by peeling my avocado. And now I'm going to crack my egg only using the yolk. So you want to just take the white part out. And I'm showing you guys how I'm dumping 2 egg yolks in here. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of honey. So now it's time to add the oils. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Olive oil is also great as all these oils add moisture and shine into the hair. Preferably, I love using olive oil. Well, now I'm going to be putting all of my stuff in a blender and blending it up, minus the chunks. You can add chunks, it doesn't really matter. But I love the consistency of almost like a Brigio hair mask. So yeah, now I'm just emptying it into my bowl and we are going to apply that to our hair. Make sure that you use a messy shirt so you don't get your new shirt dirty. And also, you're going to want to leave this hair mask in for 30 minutes and make sure you put a shower cap on after you apply it. I hope you guys enjoyed and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.